today you might want to use a ribbon and an instrument.
Hello everybody, welcome back to our story time ballet class. Now I'm Miss Amy and I am so excited to dance with you today because in our ballet adventure we're going to go back out into the garden and meet all of the bugs and the birds who live there. Now before we get started, just remember we have to make sure that we're dressed properly for a ballet class and we're not wearing anything dangerous. We need to make sure that there's a grown-up who's going to stay with us the whole time while we do this class, and even better if they join in with us. That's so much more fun. And then finally, we do have to make sure that our dance space is nice and tidy. So if you need to pause the video to tidy up, you can do that now. Fantastic dancers, now that we're all ready to begin our class, we just need to make sure that we're all warmed up. So why don't we go and get ready for our lovely warm-up, lying on our side, ready to wake up on the right side of the bed. All right, so we're just going to start lying down on our sides, eyes closed, having a lovely little dream. Dancers, now gently we're going to roll onto our back and stretch our fingers and our toes in opposite directions. So we're like a long piece of string. Really stretch, reach, reach, reach. Now I wonder if you can reach your knees in and give them a hug. You can rock side to side like a little baby, that's okay. We're going to reach our toes down nice and long, and can you try wiggling your toes for me? Wiggle your feet, wiggle your knees, and we're going to reach our fingertips up, wiggle our fingers, wiggle our arms, and then gently we're going to sit up nice and tall, and we're going to glue our feet together and have a big yawn. Oh, I'm still a bit sleepy. I'm going to have a rest on my feet. And have another stretch. Oh, and have a little rest over. And one big stretch. We're going to stand up to the sky. Oh, big yawn. And we're going to reach down and try and touch our toes. And keep your bottom up really high. And another one, up so high. And reach down for your toes. And one more, even higher, up on your tippy toes this time. Oh, did you hear that? It's the alarm. That means it's time to wake up, so we're going to run all the way around on our tippy toes. That's it. Back to where we started. And we're going to have our feet in our first position, hands on our hips, smiles on our lips, and our heads nice and tall. The first creature that we're going to meet today in the garden is a little creature with 8 long, hairy legs. That's right, it's the spider, and spiders are actually very good at playing follow the leader. Did you know that? So the spider today is going to help us play follow the leader. Sometimes we're going to listen to his music, and sometimes it's going to tell us to march with our knees up very high. Sometimes it's going to tell us to run very, very fast on our tippy toes, and sometimes it's going to tell us to skip as well. Let's have a go together. I think it's telling us to skip first. Lovely skipping all around the garden. Running very fast on our tippy toes. dancers, can you help me? We're going to look up very, very high in this tree on our tippy toes. Oh, really reaching high? Oh my goodness, can you see what's up in that branch? It's a little bird's nest with a tiny egg. Oh, I think we can become a little egg and hatch out of it. So we're starting very curled up inside our little egg in the bird's nest. Now we're going to rock side to side. The little bird in the egg is just trying to wake up very gently. And rock. Now very carefully we're going to uncurl. Super, super careful. Reaching up and stretch your wings. Have you got beautiful yellow wings today? Or maybe blue wings? Or maybe even pink? Now, little bird's going to stretch their legs out. And can you say hello with your feet? Good job. Oh, bring it back in. And let's try the other leg. Stretching it out nice and long. Hello, toes. And in we go. Stretch both legs out. Sitting very tall. That's it. We've almost hatched out of the egg completely. We're going to reach our arms and our wings all the way down to our toes. And stretching tall. All right, little birdies, now it's time for us to flap our wings and fly all around the garden. And when we get to the next branch, we're going to stop and balance on one leg in our lovely passe position. All right, everyone, let's stretch our wings. Make sure that we're ready to fly and land on those beautiful branches. Here we go. Tippy toes, fly as high as you can in the sky. And let's see if we can land on one branch. Passe! Can you balance for a long time? Well done. Let's go again on our tippy toes. Fly! Big stretch your wings and landing on the branch, passe. See if you can do it on the other leg this time. Good job. One more go. Here we go, tippy toes, fly. And let's land on one of those branches. Passe. Good job, let's try again. Here we go. And we're going to balance other leg. Well done, beautiful flying. Little birdies, I'm feeling a little bit peckish, are you? Excellent. Well, I think it's time for us to go and find something to eat then. Did you know that birds eat wiggly worms? Ooh. Yes, we're going to try and eat some wiggly worms. So we're going to get our lovely ribbon and make lots of wiggly shapes, and then we're going to peck them with our ballet pointy toes. Ready? Here we go with our wiggly worm. Make lots of wiggles all the way down and all the way up, down and up. Let's try and peck them, shall we? With our beautiful pointy toe. And Dancers, there are so many birds visiting our garden today, and they all have different kinds of walks. Now, I can see a very tall and graceful stork. I can see a little bouncing duck. I can see a little waddling penguin, and I can even see a beautiful pink flamingo balancing on one leg in the middle of our garden. Do you think you can copy all of these birds like me? Ready? We've got our beautiful stork walks with really high knees. And we've got our little duck doing their ballet knee bends. And then we've got our penguin. Gosh, it must be cold in our garden today if we've got a penguin visiting us. And then we've even got our flamingo balancing on one leg. Very good, let's go again. Really high knees with our stork walks up on our tippy toes. And we've got our duck doing their ballet knee bends. Good job. Oh, penguin. Little waddling penguin. See if you can keep your knees very straight. And our beautiful flamingo on one leg. Now, the duck that's visiting us today would like to play a little singing game. So she's going to quack a lovely tune, and I want to see if you can quack back to her. So you can quack with your voice, or you could quack with an instrument like mine, or you could even use a whistle or a kazoo if you've got one. Oh, wow, dancers, there's lots of beautiful swallows swooping through the sky over our garden. Do you think you can fly and swoop and leap with the swallows? Ready? We're going to run on our tippy toes and do a lovely leap through the sky. Let's have another try. Run, big leap, whoosh. Oh, beautiful leaping, everybody. You can do any kind of leap that you like. And one more. Well done, dancers. What beautiful flying and leaping with the swallows you did. It was absolutely gorgeous. Now, I'm afraid we've only got time just to sing our bye-bye song, but I can't wait to see you again in the next class. Bye-bye, goodbye. Bye-bye, bye-bye, goodbye. Bye-bye, goodbye. Bye-bye, bye-bye, goodbye. Goodbye. Bye, everyone. See you next time.